When a call out happens, the last thing you want to do is grab a paper rolodex. In VCS HR, vacancies are flagged instantly right here on the main schedule. Instead of guessing who is eligible, we're going to activate the replacement policy engine, which is more than a list of names. It's a robust rule set built around your specific department needs that automatically filters for qualified staff. You can prioritize the list by seniority or use our fair distribution rule to offer overtime to those with the fewest hours worked first, ensuring you stay compliant with union rules and labor contracts. Once your criteria are set, just hit notify, and VCS HR sends an instant alert via the mobile app or text to every qualified employee, eliminating those time-consuming one-by-one phone calls. As soon as an officer accepts, the system validates the shift against their existing schedule to prevent back-to-back fatigue, and once approved, the schedule updates in real time across the entire agency while the payroll module automatically reflects the correct overtime rate. You've filled the gap, maintained compliance, and kept your team informed, all in just a few clicks, and that's the power of VCS HR.